G'day guys, today we are doing possibly my favorite hamstring exercise, and that is the stiff legged deadlift off the back extender machine. A fantastic exercise to really create stability and load those hamstrings. Okay, let's talk about how we want to go about this. Well, point number one, we need to execute exactly the same way as we would with a stiff-legged deadlift. So we're going to create 3 points of contact. Our first 2 points are in line with our big toe and our pinky toe. Our last point of contact is through the heels. We're going to screw them in. Why do we create external rotation? Because it activates our glutes at the top here. So when we do that, we create stability through the hips. We're going to drive more force through those hamstrings. Okay, so that's our lower body sorted. So again, screw the feet in, hips go on, and then we're going to fall forward. Now what are we going to do with our back? We're going to pull our shoulder blades back and down, create as much stability as possible. Okay, for those who haven't seen my stiff-legged deadlift video, go across, watch it. It'll explain in absolute detail around the stiff-legged deadlift. However, we will quickly touch on what it is that we're trying to execute, and that's what we call a hip hinge pattern. So a hip hinge pattern is the ability to take your hips right out and then come back in. That's all it is. Okay, a lot of people make the mistake of creating what they call spinal flexion. So when they come down into this position, they start to roll off and their lower back rounds off. Okay, especially when we have a barbell in front of us, and then they come back through and they squeeze and they wonder why their lower back is loading up. We need to make sure that we're creating stability, shoulder blades back and down, screw the feet in, glutes go on, and we're going to drive those hips out as if I'm touching a button behind me or as if I'm touching the wall, or I can practice by standing here first and just come down, touch, and then take a little step further forward, come down, touch. Okay, really good cues and warm up patterns in order to get into our hip hinge. Okay, so when it comes to setting up the back extender for our stiff-legged deadlifts, what I want you to do is have that pad just above our knees. We're going to screw our feet into where our feet lock in, and we're going to be keeping those hips on, shoulder blades back and down when we grab a hold of the barbell. Right, let's dive in. Now, I always start with the barbell at the top because what we know about stiff-legged deadlifts is very much an eccentric movement. So make sure that we start with the barbell up if possible. If you have to grab it from the bottom, by all means, but just be aware of you're putting yourself in a very vulnerable position. So start light, work your way up. Okay. Now, make sure first and foremost that your bench is nice and secure. Obviously this one isn't, so it's a bad example, but yours should be. We're going to start up here, we're going to brace these hips, we're going to screw those feet in, knees are going to be slightly out, and you're going to feel those hamstrings start to load already. Okay, from here, we're going to pull our shoulder blades back and down. Now you can see if I fall forward, I'm going to hit these handles. So I'm actually going to start the bar outside the handles and just pull the bar into the handles, pulling my shoulder blades back and down. That will load my back. From here, I'm going to hip hinge, push my hips as far out as I can, load those hamstrings, drive up, squeeze. Okay, again, hips out, drive up, squeeze. Now I'm touching that bench there. However, I want you to go down as far as you can feel a stretch, drive up. Make sure you don't enter lumbar flexion. So at the bottom, you're not rounding off, you're keeping still. And we're just going to push those hips out as far as we can, bring them back in. I'm going to repeat that process over and over again. Team, really, really good hamstring exercise, especially if you're not very confident nor efficient at stiff-legged deadlifts. Great starting point to be able to teach yourself to hip hinge. And by all means, team, go use this because it's a fantastic hamstring developer. That there, team, is how you go about doing a stiff-legged deadlift off a back extender.